Good morning, children. Children, for measuring weight of the light objects, what we use? We use the smaller measures that is called as gram. Children, here you see 500 gram, 200 gram and 100 gram. Children, write down the weights of these. Now you see, children, what you see now, you see it is 500 gram. Children, what you see? It is 500 gram. So for the measuring the weight of the light objects. And children, here you see 200 gram. Children, 500 gram, 200 gram, and here you see 100 gram. 100 gram, and here you see 50 gram. Children, they are what? They are for small measures, measuring the weight of the light objects. What we use? We use smaller measures called gram. Gram, G-R-A-M or G. So, children, what you see here? The small measures. Okay? And you see it is the big measure. The standard unit of weight is 1 kilogram. Children, when you see it is 500 and another 500, 500 gram is equivalent to 1 kilogram. That means 1 kilogram is 1000 gram. Okay, children. So it is a standard unit of weight. Okay, children. Now for the small measures, what you do here? Children, you see your book. In your book, write down the weights of this. Children, what you see here? You see, here is a toothpaste. Here brinjals. Here grapes. Here is what? It is something. What you measure? Children. And here also it is a pineapple. Children, you see, this is the object. So it is, what to write here? 200 gram. 200 gram. Here what you see? It is the brinjal. The weight of the brinjal is, children, 500 gram. Okay, you write here 500 gram. Here you see the grape. The weight of the grape is 100 gram. And here you see the object is 200 and 100. That means 300 gram. What do you see here? The pineapple weight is 1 kg and 200 gram. Children, what you see here? We write the weight of the objects. Here what you see in page number 123, would you use kg or gram weight of this? Children, you know, for the measuring the weight of the heavy objects, we use kg. For the light objects, we use gram. You see a book, it is a light object. So what to write here? Gram. Sugar bag, it is a heavy object. What to write? Kilogram. Cricket ball, what to write here? And the children, it is in what? It is a light object. So gram. A pencil, it is gram. Many brinjals, it is a heavy object. Okay, many brinjals, it is in kilogram. A rose, it is a light object, so it is in gram. You write G. A bunch of grapes, children, a bunch. So what you write here? G or gram. Okay, G. A packet of hairpins, children. A packet of hairpins also, it is a lighter object. It is right. What to write? G. Children, weigh of the following and write down the weights of each. Children, what you do it? So, you write the weight. Your math book. Children, yourself, your school bag, your pencil box, your lunch box, your water bottle, and your shoes. Children, how you measure? By the weight box, children. By the you use it and write it. Children, what you see, children? You see, my dear children, it is a weight machine. Okay, children? It is a what? It is a weight machine. Now see, it is a pen. Now you see, children, what you observe? Now, when first is your math book. Children, what you do it? Here you do it. Then you see 100. No. 200. Children, it is also what? You see, it is now you see it is you see it is 300, 200, 100, and you see it is what? 50 gram. So 350 gram. Okay, children. And the next is what? Your children, your school bag. Children, now you see the weight of your school bag. Children, you see, it is your school bag. You see, when I weigh the measure of the school bag, you see, children, it is approximately 1 kg. Children, it is 1 kg. The weight of your school bag is 1 kg. And your pencil box, children, the weight of the pencil box, you see, it is your pencil box. You see, the weight. Children, you see, it is it is 300, not 300, it is 250 gram. Children, it is 250 gram. And your lunch box, children, you see, children, your lunch box, okay, it is a what? It is a lunch box. Okay, children, when you weight it, it is what you see. It is, then you see it is 200, approximately 250 gram. Okay, your lunch box, children, and your bottle, your water bottle, children. When you measure it, your water bottle, children, you see it is children, it is not 200, you see it is less than 100 gram, and you see more than 50 gram. That means it is in what? When in water, okay, children, when I will in water bottle with water, it is when I pour it, you see, children, now see, children, in bottle with water, you see it is not you see it is it is 500 gram. Okay, bottle is 500 gram, children. So you what you do it, you write down the weights of your water bottle, of your pencil box, children, math book, school bag, lunch box, children, and you write it and write on the book and send to our WhatsApp group. Thank you.